Did you know you could be eligible for over 10 grand in financial support to help you pay for college education next year? The SUSI grant portal for 26-27 academic year is officially open, and getting your application in early is the secret to getting paid on time. Brian here from Classroom Guidance, and today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to get your hands on that funding. Let's look at SUSI, Student Universal Support Ireland, with around 75,000 of 100,000 applicants receiving funds annually. The chances are in your favour. The grant covers two major areas. One, college fees. Depending on how much money your household earns, this could cover 100% of your fees. That's the equivalent of a 2007 Volkswagen Golf. 2, living expenses. A maintenance grant helps with living costs and is paid directly into your bank account. For 26-27, the maximum non-adjacent special rate grant can go up to nearly €8,000. Think the cost of a 2013 BMW 1 Series. Wondering how to get this free money? You'll need to meet these key criteria. 1, approved course. You must be applying for an approved course in an approved institution. This is nearly all CAO and PLC courses, but it's worth checking out if unsure. 2, residency. Have lived in the Irish state, the EU, the EEA, the UK or Switzerland for 3 of the last 5 years. 3, nationality. You must be an Irish, EU, EEA, UK or Swiss national or have a specific immigration status. 4, income level. Your total reckonable household income must fall below specific income thresholds. 5, educational progression. You must be advancing through your education and not repeating any part of a course. Income thresholds vary depending on how many dependents are living with you. You could qualify for a special rate grant if your household income is under 28,600. This means you could see more than 10 grand in support when combining the 8,000 for maintenance grant and the 100% fee coverage. At the other end of the scale, if your household income is just under 120,000, you could get a €500 student contribution. Maintenance ranging from 4,722 to 1,866 if you live more than 30 kilometers from college, and 1,774 to 612 if college is near your home. 91% of students are eligible for some sort of grant, with only 9% of households over this household income of 120,000. So are you ready to apply for this free money? The online application system for the 2026-27 academic year is now open. Here's what you need to do. Start at susi.ie and create an account in your SUSI student portal. Click on I don't have a SUSI account yet. You'll be asked for your PPSN, name, date of birth, email address and phone number. Once you log in, you can fill out the application form. For 2026, the application form comprises of 5 crucial sections. Section 1 is applicant personal details. Here you'll input your personal information, PPSN number, your 8-digit CAO or 10-digit UCAS number, or just a PPSN number if you are applying for a PLC course only. Section 2 is applications, nationality and residency. This section is all about understanding your background and residency status. Section 3 covers course details, whether you're a CAO hopeful or a PLC applicant. This includes any previous education and any other financial assistance you have received. Section 4 focuses on dependent children and relevant persons. Who is in your household? This could significantly impact your grant eligibility. Finally, Section 5 is the income details. You'll need to provide the 2025 income details for your parents, guardians and yourself. Every bit counts, from employment to social welfare. Remember to ensure all information, especially PPSNs and dates of birth, are completed and are accurate, as incorrect information will delay processing. Also, providing false or misleading information can lead to prosecution under the Student Support Act 2011. After submission, no changes are allowed, but you can track your progress online using the application tracker in your student portal. Applying as early as possible after the opening date is key. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe or follow for more insights from Classroom Guidance.